Why, hello there. It's Al. It's Bri. It's Ant. We're almost at the top of the Beehive at Arcadia in Bar Harbor, Maine. The view is ridiculous. What an amazing adventure. Fucking terrifying. It's another one of those classic rock situations where you fall, you misstep, you die. There's no coming back. You're done. So, it's been a trip. I don't know if I'll tackle anything quite this aggressive again anytime soon, but it's beautiful. I highly recommend checking it out. There's lots of stuff to do in Acadia. Have a great day, guys.